Ayantaro, hook, 10 seconds. There's a planet, so dark, so dangerous, so impossible, that even NASA scientists call it the Hell World. A world where it rains molten glass, sideways, where winds scream faster than bullets, and where the temperature can melt titanium in seconds. This world is real, and we were never supposed to discover it. Medium White Star Part 1, The Accidental Discovery, 1989. In 1989, NASA's Deep Space Telescope recorded a faint flicker of light in the Andromeda direction. At first, scientists assumed it was noise, just random cosmic interference. But the flicker repeated. Same pattern, same interval, same shadow. When NASA calculated the size and distance, they realized the impossible. They had discovered a planet darker than any object ever recorded in human history. Its name, TIS-2b, or simply, the Dark Planet. Medium White Star Part 2, A Planet Made of Darkness. TIS-2b reflects less than 1% of all light that hits it. To understand how insane that is, coal reflects more light. Black paint reflects more light. Even black holes shine more because of nearby radiation. But this planet is pure darkness. Scientists say that if you were floating right next to it, you still wouldn't see it. Just a giant, invisible monster hiding in space. Only its red-hot glow gives away its shape, like a demon beating inside the dark. Medium White Star Part 3, The Impossible Atmosphere. Why is TIS-2b so dark? Its atmosphere is filled with materials that absorb light completely, like a cosmic black sponge. But that's only the beginning. This planet's atmosphere is made of vaporized iron, molten rock particles, titanium oxide gas, sulfur clouds, sodium flames, and diamond dust storms. But the most horrifying part? It rains molten glass. And the winds? They blow that glass at speeds over 7,000 kilometers per hour. A glass storm that cuts anything into dust. Imagine standing there, and billions of sharp glass shards slicing through anything that exists. Medium White Star Part 4, Hellfire Day and Night. The planet orbits so close to its star that fire its temperature reaches 1,200 degrees Celsius. Fire hot enough to melt steel. Fire hot enough to vaporize metal. Fire hot enough to destroy spaceships in seconds. There is no night on this planet. No sunrise. No sunset. Just eternal burning darkness. The star behind it glows bright. But the planet remains almost completely black, as if it refuses light itself. This breaks every known rule of physics. A planet this close to a star should glow like lava. But TIS-2b stays dark. Why? Scientists still have no explanation. Medium White Star Part 5, The Planet That Should Not Exist. Every model in astrophysics says TIS-2b should not exist. It's too hot, too close to its star, too unstable, too dark. And yet, it exists. Even stranger, its orbit is perfectly circular. Something extremely rare for a planet this close. This means something is keeping it stable. Something powerful. Something scientists don't understand. Some astronomers believe an invisible force is anchoring it. A massive object, maybe a black dwarf, or something even stranger. Something we have never seen. Medium White Star Part 6, The Light Pulse Event, 2017. In 2017, NASA recorded something terrifying. TIS-2b pulsed. For 6 minutes, its brightness increased by 12%. Not enough to be visible, but enough to terrify scientists. Because planets don't pulse. Stars pulse. Explosions pulse. Life pulse. Not planets. Some scientists suggested it was a giant eruption. Others believed it was an atmospheric collapse. But one group came forward with a darker theory. The planet is hollow, and something inside it is reacting. NASA rejected the idea, but no explanation was ever given for the pulse. The data remains classified. Medium White Star Part 7, The Forbidden Mission. In 2022, NASA quietly approved an observation mission codenamed Operation Night Lantern. Objective: study TIS-2b with a new deep infrared system. But after only 14 days, the mission was shut down. The official reason? Data inconsistency. But a leaked internal document stated, the object exhibits non-zero anomalous energy signatures. Translated, something on the planet is producing energy, something unnatural, something impossible. Medium White Star Part 8, the Walking Shadows Theory. A group of astrophysicists propose a chilling idea. What if TIES-2b is dark because something on it absorbs light? Not gas, not dust, but life. Life that thrives in pure darkness. Life that feeds on heat instead of sunlight. Life that hides from the universe. They called them shadow organisms. NASA rejected the theory publicly, but never released the mission data, which raises the real question. What did they see? Medium White Star Part 9, the signal nobody expected, 2024. In late 2024, the James Webb Telescope detected a faint radio burst from the TIES-2b system. Planets don't emit radio signals. Not naturally, but this one did. The signal wasn't random. It had structure, a pattern. Some believe it was a natural spike. Some believe it was interference. But a leaked spectrograph shows something shocking. The signal's frequency exactly matches the brainwave frequency of a dreaming human. Coincidence? Maybe. Maybe not. NASA has not commented. Medium White Star Part 10. What makes TIES-2b truly terrifying? This is not the hottest planet. Not the biggest. Not the most violent. But it is the darkest, the least understood, the most unnatural, and the only planet that reacts to light in ways no physical object should. Scientists fear one thing. We have no idea why it's dark. It doesn't reflect light. It doesn't absorb light normally. It behaves like a living shadow. The real question isn't, what is TIES-2b? The real question is, what is it hiding? Medium White Star Outro, final cinematic ending. Some planets are beautiful. Some are violent. Some are strange. But a few planets, a very few, are warnings. TIES-2b is one of them. A world of eternal darkness. A world that should not exist. A world that whispers a truth the universe doesn't want us to know. We have only seen the beginning of what hides in the dark.